Hello everyone, welcome to iPandarin 3 minutes per day Chinese class. We learned to order food or things when we go out last lesson. Today we will learn to talk about weather and to ask others how is someone or something. Before we start, all the content in this video can be found at www.ipandarin.com. Let's begin. Let's begin with the word weather. 天气 First and fourth tone, speak after me.
天气，
天气 speak again.
天气，
天气 What's the weather like today? Asking weather. Okay. Subject 今天天气怎么样? We use 怎么样 to ask how is the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Put the subject and then use 怎么样. Speak after me.
怎么样？
怎么样 There's a light tone. Again.
怎么样？
怎么样 means how. How are you? 你怎么样 We put the subject 你 There's no need to say 是 okay? How are you? 你怎么样 How is the coffee? 咖啡怎么样 Asking how is something or someone. Back to the weather topic. The weather could be very hot. 热
热，
Speak after me again.
热，
热 We say 今天很热 Today is really hot. 今天天气怎么样？今天天气很热。And then the opposite. Cold. 冷 Speak after me.
冷，
冷 It's very cold in Beijing. Subject 北京很冷 It's cold in Beijing. 北京天气怎么样？北京很冷。It's cold because it's raining. How to say to rain? 下雨 Speak after me.
下雨，
下雨 A fourth and third tone again.
下雨，
下雨 It's raining today. We say 今天下雨 Some sample answers to questions about weather or sample expressions. It's not cold today. 今天不冷 It's very hot in Beijing. 北京很热 Mostly we say the subject, either it's about today, about the day, or about a place, and then describe the weather using adverb adjective. From this chart, we can see more weather expressions. It's sunny today. 今天是晴天 sunny 晴天 It's windy today. 今天有风 It's cloudy today. 今天是阴天 The weather is nice today. 今天天气很好 Let's do some practice. What is the weather like tomorrow? It's asking about tomorrow's weather, so we put 明天天气明天天气 weather tomorrow 怎么样 How about tomorrow's weather? Tomorrow's weather how literally Questions using interrogative 怎么样 To form questions with how, all you have to do is to replace the part you like to question about. Put it as subject. How is the weather today? The weather today in Chinese, 今天的天气 or 今天天气 Then we say 怎么样 How is his dog? 他的狗怎么样 We can even say, how are you? 你怎么样 Or, how is your younger brother? 你的弟弟怎么样 The answer will say the subject and then describe it. 今天的天气很好。Today's weather is very good. 他的狗不错。His dog is nice. 很好。How are you? 我很好。I'm good. 你怎么样？我很好。你的弟弟怎么样？他也很好 or 他不好。Positive, negative, your choice. Before we end today's lesson, we'll do one reading exercise to recap all we've learned today. Let's look at the questions. Where's Mei Mei now? What's the weather like in Beijing? What's the weather like in London? Talking about weather, okay? Steve says, 梅梅，你在北京吗？梅梅 are you in Beijing? It's a yes or no question. 是，我在北京。Yes, I'm in Beijing. 北京今天天气怎么样？ All the subject is Beijing today's weather. How is Beijing today's weather? 妹妹 answer, 北京今天很热。伦敦呢？ Steve replies, 伦敦今天下雨。It's raining today in London. 伦敦不热，也不冷。It's not hot, neither cold here. Kind of nice, huh? Let's go back to the question. Where's Mei Mei now? 她在北京。What is the weather like in Beijing? Very hot. What's the weather like in London? Raining. Let's check. Well done. Alright, that's all for today. Today we learned many expressions on weather so we can talk about weather with others. And we learned to ask people how is someone or something using 怎么样. To practice all of this, please finish all exercises of Level 1 Lesson 24. See you, bye bye.